Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Susana and today we're going to go ahead and edit a thank you card. I am first going to mention the things you cannot change on this template, and that is you cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. The only thing you can't change would be the social media icons here. Everything else can be changed. And also let me mention the pictures here on this template are not part of your purchase. You are gonna have to use your own personal pictures. So let's remove this. It's the way the card would look. Change the pictures to restaurant. Click and drag. And you would want to go ahead and enter your business info. So just double click and change this to your business name as well as the website. This is grouped, so if you want to ungroup it, go ahead and click ungroup on the top right, and that is going to allow you to select each item on its own. Let's go ahead and upload our logo. So let's get rid of this placeholder, and we're going to drag and drop our logo inside this circle. Drag and drop, and there you go. Or if you have a logo with the background color like this one, just go ahead and click, drag and drop, and it's going to look nice within the template itself. Now remember that this template can be used for any type of business. If you have a nail salon, let's go ahead and put nail spa. Just drag and drop picture. To move the picture, just double click and then you can just move it around. There you go, you have your Spanish template below and your social media icons that come with your purchase on the last page. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.